Hey everybody, I'm a day off here with the report on the Transom window project. Uh, we missed some video yesterday where I did test fitting and the frame unfortunately is too tight. So today's, or when I did the video, is to trim off just a little bit on the edges, on the short edges, to make sure it swings freely in the frame. But I don't want to take off too much, although it's not a window that's supposed to hold weather in or out. I still want it to have a pleasant, nice fit. Anyway, out comes the table saw, and sorry about the loud saw noises here, but I ended up just trimming like 16ths, 30 seconds off on each side, and I perhaps should have spent some time really doing a bigger cut. Anyway, sorry, I'm still working out when do I turn off sound and how do I turn off sound in the video. Okay, here I am with the test fit, and my wife is pointing out that it's so tight that it doesn't even swing. Oh, so that was a little bit of disappointment. So back at the table saw to take off some more of the stuff. So I was making sure there that I was taking off on the right side so it would be equal. Not that probably anybody would care. So like, there's a weird point where how much do you take off and how much do you leave on? Does anybody really care that if it's equal or not? Hard to say. And here I am double checking, and sure enough, I still need to take more off because it's not equal. At least these sizes will be embedded in my skull for the rest of my life. 1 and 1/8. Ugh. Okay, I didn't realize I had the camera on here, so you're going to see a run through the backyard and up to the house. I thought it was kind of funny. I think it's hilarious. And then I realized the camera was on, and this is me just being frustrated right here, where I'm like, oh, and my wife is gratefully pointing out, not in a mean way, that it still needed yet a little bit more. So here we are with the final cuts, and you just taking off those 16ths, or 30 seconds in this case. And I got to move it in each time to correspond with the amount I want to take off. But boy, was I getting good at this. I am a pro at doing this now. Okay, here we are. This is the money shot. Here we go. I did this in regular time. Look at that. Perfect. I love my own happiness. Smiles all around. Awesome.